Hey, what's going on, guys? The boy Maximum RPM coming at you with another video today, and in this video I'm going to be showing off a new 3D printed Beyblade. I know, another one. So, there were some difficulties, as per usual. It wouldn't be me if I didn't screw something up. Everyone knows 3D printing is a little finicky. Nothing's ever quite a perfect fit. So we're all just kind of working with that will do. And this bay is kind of that. So this was a fully custom bay, but stuff keeps breaking. So I don't know what to tell you. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this is my 3D printed Beyblade. Demon King Shatter. Everyone knows about my Beyblade, Shatter. And I recently made, shelf will open, a new one, Blood Boil Shatter. Well, this is Demon King Shatter. A Sparking Shatter. This broke. This broke, but if I reprint this, I think I can actually fix it. I think I know what to do to fix my issue. This works. So, once again, we will have to be using Super Hyperion's chip, but this actually goes in better than the real thing, which I find hilarious. And I will have to use the 1A chassis. And here is the layer. So it is Demon King Shatter. I actually added a little bit of detail. So this was called Underworld. So I've still got some work to do. But that clicks in. That makes a very scary crunch when it goes together. And the driver that I chose is Jolt from the Pro Series, Valkyrie. So there it is, Demon King Shatter, 1A Jolt. I do want to get a couple more sparking bays in the future. So let's test out the new Shatter. I think I've got some launchers. Yes, I do. So, very heavy. It's a lot bigger than I thought, and it's a lot flatter than I expected it to be, too. Which I find kind of funny. So, I expect that it's going to rip right through Doomsizer. In fact, I don't even know where Doomsizer is currently. So, we'll put it up against Archer Hercules, 13 Eternal first. I'm kind of scared of this thing. So, it's not perfect, but it works. Ooh, we actually did quite a bit of damage, considering how many hits we got. Alright, I'll give it more of a... There we go. Okay. I've noticed a pattern. I've been getting better at bursting this thing. So either that's finally wearing down, or I've just started making good Beyblades. So, let's see. What else can I put it up against? Ah. Oh, look, it's even a sleep stand. Let's put it up against Air Knight real quick. That's a hard one to burst. And something on the layer is broken too, which makes it even funnier with how well it's working, but I don't really want to jinx it. What a shot! That was nothing but net. I like this new shatter. This is the kind of destructive force I've been looking for. Oh! Yes. Alright, I'll do one more against Air Knight, then we're going to move on to a couple other bays. Okay. That's good enough for me. Alright. Arc Belkesh 2-bump atomic. Just a one hit. Just one hit. The lock on this thing's kind of weird. Okay. Okay, we're done with you. It's good at throwing stuff, which I didn't plan for. Probably because it's so low. It's just flat. Pro Series Valkyrie Blitz Trick. Oh! Okay, I've got one final thing, and that is Orielcum Outer Claw. Then maybe we'll see how it does against Rose. This thing's got some destructive force. This thing slaps. I have the biggest smile right now because Shatter's finally working good again. I gotta go back and revamp the original one. Alright. Let's do Toxic Rose 10 Expand Guard. Okay. Nothing ever does that to Rose. So now that I've seen that, I'm gonna put Rose down. Thorn Rose, which has not been burst. Maybe today will be the day. Oh, jeez! Okay. Rose didn't even take any real damage. Oh my god, Rose is a monster. Oh, one of the little details broke off a shatter. Oh, and I think another one just came off. Yeah, he's losing his little details. They're not on there all that well. Yeah. Oh, it's just flaking apart. He's missing a couple of his little details. I mean, it's just cosmetic. Man. 10 out of 10. Oh my god, this thing has some destructive force. Wow. Okay. And the Underworld chassis does work on regular bays when it's not broken. So I'm going to reprint Underworld, and we're going to see if we can fix that. Alright guys, well that is about it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so you get all my videos, because I upload daily. And as always, I hope that this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome. Shatter is back.